When homeowners consider upgrades that truly transform both the look and feel of their property, windows often top the list. Among the many styles available, Bow windows stand out for their elegance, versatility, and impact. For homeowners in Pasadena, Bow windows are more than just a design feature. They are a smart architectural upgrade that enhances curb appeal, increases natural light, and improves everyday comfort. Adding dimension and character to the exterior. One of the most noticeable benefits of Bow windows is how they extend outward from the home in a graceful curve. Unlike flat windows that blend into the wall, Bow windows create depth and dimension. In Pasadena neighborhoods, this added projection breaks up plain exterior surfaces and introduces visual interest. Homes with Bow windows often appear more refined and thoughtfully designed, giving them a distinctive presence on the street. Enhancing architectural style. Bow windows work well with a variety of architectural styles. Whether a home leans traditional, transitional, or contemporary, the gentle curve of a bow window complements the overall design. For Pasadena homeowners, this versatility makes Bow windows a safe yet impactful upgrade. They enhance the home's character without clashing with existing architectural details. Maximizing natural light transforms interior spaces. Bow windows, made up of multiple panels, allow sunlight to enter from different angles throughout the day. In Pasadena homes, this multi-directional light brightens living rooms, dining areas, and bedrooms more effectively than a single flat window. The result is a lighter, more open interior that feels welcoming and spacious. Expanding interior space visually. Because Bow windows project outward, they create a sense of expanded interior space. Even in rooms with limited square footage, this outward extension adds depth. Pasadena homeowners often notice that rooms feel larger and less confined after installing Bow windows. This visual expansion enhances both comfort and functionality. Creating a natural focal point. Bow windows naturally draw attention. Their curved design and generous glass area make them a focal feature in any room. In Pasadena residences, Bow windows often anchor living spaces, giving homeowners a central point around which to arrange furniture and decor. This strengthens both interior design and room flow. Improving comfort and usability. Beyond appearance, Bow windows contribute to daily comfort. Properly installed Bow windows help maintain stable indoor conditions and reduce drafts. Pasadena homeowners can enjoy seating areas near Bow windows without discomfort. These spaces often become favorite spots for reading, relaxing, or entertaining guests. Enhancing views without overwhelming. The design. Bow windows offer panoramic views without requiring oversized structural changes. Their angled panels expand the viewing area naturally. For homeowners in Pasadena, this means better connection to outdoor surroundings while maintaining architectural balance. The design feels intentional rather than excessive. Increasing long-term property value. Architectural upgrades that combine beauty and function tend to offer lasting value. Bow windows enhance both curb appeal and interior comfort, two factors that strongly influence property perception. Pasadena homeowners often see Bow windows as an investment in both present enjoyment and future resale appeal. Homes with distinctive architectural features stand out in competitive markets. Supporting flexible interior design. The added depth created by Bow windows allows for creative use of space. Some homeowners use the extended area for seating, display, or decor. In Pasadena homes, this flexibility adds both style and practicality without requiring additional construction. A timeless upgrade with lasting impact. Trends may come and go, but architectural elegance remains timeless. Bow windows offer a blend of classic beauty and modern functionality. For homeowners in Pasadena, Bow windows are a smart architectural upgrade because they enhance curb appeal, maximize natural light, improve comfort, and add lasting value. By combining visual impact with everyday livability, Bow windows transform homes in a way that feels both meaningful and enduring.